Let's look at how to set up marketing campaign. Log into SuperLemon dashboard and campaigns in the left navigation drawer over here. So through WhatsApp marketing campaigns, you can send promotional messages, product releases, newsletters, and so much more to users via WhatsApp in bulk. So in my campaign section, click on this create new campaign and here give a name to your campaign, which is new offer. You can select one of the template which you just created. A quick auto pop-up will be shown here, and then from the recipient list you can either select from file, which you can choose from your system, or from the segment list which you have created. If your promotional messages have some variables such as first name, phone number, or any other detail, you can choose those from your system in format of CSV or Excel. Click submit once done, and your campaign will be sitting in marketing campaigns over here. Later, as soon as it is published, you can also see the metrics around that campaign, such as number of recipients from that campaign, how many people have opted in for further future marketing campaigns, and the number of delivered and read messages.